for today is Joel Yankee. I mentioned that earlier. He is our Director of Construction and Maintenance, and he'll be here for a couple of reasons. One, to answer any questions that I don't know the answer to, and also to help keep us safe, along with Leslie Stocker, who is our Director of Security and Safety. So, all right, well, we're going to head this way into Camp Snoopy. From this point on, we're in an active construction zone. So a hard hat is mandatory. Please don't take it off. That's for your safety. And again, please watch where you step. We'll have uneven surfaces. We'll be stepping from concrete to dirt to gravel and over things possibly like 2x4s or anything else that might be on the ground. So please be alert. That's the key part of today, and enjoy yourself. You'll see a lot of new things. So let's go this way. Platform. We are not going to go on the platform, and you'll see why when we get up there. Lots of work happens under there, especially when there's inclement weather and things like that. Our crew doesn't want to stop working, but they need somewhere that's covered, and that's where they're doing it. So we'll go up briefly onto the platform, and I guess that you just keep moving. There's not a lot to see up there, but I did want to at least give you the chance to get up there so you can see how that area is coming together. Once we go down the ramp, we're going to go underneath the spike, and then we're going to work our way back out here. Right?